Well, it's time to get into some more doggy DIYs. Hey, I'm Janelle. This is toDIYfor, and I recently became a dog owner. For a couple of months now, we've actually had our beautiful Blue Merle Australian Shepherd at home with us. We've named her Nova. And if you want to follow along, I've been sharing lots of videos and photos and just tricks and things that we're teaching her on my Instagram account at Janelle Steeper if you want to check that out. But as you know, if you're a dog owner, dogs require a lot of things, and if you are crate training them, the crate can take up a huge amount of space. She sleeps there, she's there when we leave the apartment, sometimes when we're in the apartment as well. We're doing the whole crate training thing, and it's great, but it takes up a huge space in our bedroom, and I want to use the space on top of the crate because we live in an apartment and storage is minimal. So to store all of her doggy belongings on top of the crate, I thought that I would create a topper for the crate. It's kind of gonna make it like a little bit of a table. If your crate is out in the living room, this would be really great. It can kind of make it look a little more stylish, fit with your, furniture, because the metal crate is kind of ugly. You can use it for extra storage like I'm doing. I think this is gonna be really functional, and it's gonna be really easy to put together. So let's get into it.
So the measurements are really going to depend on your size of dog crate. We have a medium one that I believe is 42 inches long. So I have these two boards that I picked up. They are 1 by 16. I've got two of them. That equals 32 inches. I believe her crate measures 30 inches across and 42 inches long. So these boards have been cut down to 44 inches. You want, an inch on each side basically, because I also grabbed these 1 by 2s, and these are what are going to keep everything into place. So I've cut them down to be the same lengths of this board and then the width as well, minus the width that these boards take up. So I've got 3 sides that I'm going to put into place with some wood glue and then screwing them into place. I did the 2 lengths on each side of the boards. I glued the boards together, and then I'm going to add my final 1 by 2 across the back here. Everything is lined up so it is a flat top. We're going to glue that into place, screw it into place. That's going to help keep these boards together in addition to the glue that is in between them as well. And that is the basic construction of this. Like I said, super simplistic, so anyone can do this. And then on the other side, I had to put in a little bit of wood filler to kind of make that crack look seamless, sand everything down. And I have not painted, stained, or sealed this yet because I might be doing some changes to our bedroom and I wasn't sure the look that I wanted to go with. Right now, I actually don't mind the natural wood tone. If you're wondering why I didn't put a piece across the front, that's actually because the door will not open if I put a 1 by 2 across there. So I left it like that. It is snug, it's secure, it's not going to fall off thanks to those pieces of wood that border it. So we've got her toys here hidden in a cute basket. I need to grab a few other decorative baskets to house things like her treats, her brush, her toothpaste, things like that. And she was so sweet for me while I was doing all of this. But as you can see, it looks more stylish now in our bedroom because I can kind of decorate it. But it is so functional. This is now my new nightstand because we had to take out my nightstand. It is also where I lay out my clothes for the next day because I wake up super early and I don't want to wake up anyone, aka my boyfriend or dog, in the bedroom to grab my clothes for the day. Let me know what you thought of the DIY. I'll be back next week with a new one.